YouTube, this is Chop. Welcome to my channel. Hope this video finds you in good spirits. Today I thought we'd do a little something different. I'm going to go on a little bit of a ride today, but I'm going to keep the video short for the topic of discussion. The best and worst aftermarket purchases I made for my Road Glide. Now this is not based on dollar amount. It's just based on the thing I'm happiest about and the thing I'm not so happy about. So figuring out the best aftermarket purchase was actually pretty easy. Basically, I just asked myself if I could only have made one purchase from a Harley after taking it home, just one, and I'd have to give everything else back, what would that be? The slip-on mufflers. That's the first thing that I changed out. And if I had to give everything back and just keep one thing, one aftermarket part, it'd be the mufflers. Because the stock mufflers, as everybody knows from Harley, they're just terrible. The best purchase is by far my Vance & Hines 4.5-inch high output slip-ons. They're not the loudest mufflers, but I wasn't trying to get the loudest mufflers. If you want the loudest mufflers, you better get some Tab Zombies or something like that, which is actually located right here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Shout out to Tab. But I wanted that low rumble, so Vance & Hines was the only way to go for me. So if you told me I could only make one purchase for this bike out of everything, it would definitely be the slip-on mufflers. I'll let you take a listen. Now, by far, the thing I am the least happy about out of all the purchases I made for my Harley has got to be these Harley Davidson saddlebag guard bag. I did get the genuine Harley Davidson bag, so at least the quality is great. You're going to pay a little bit more with Harley stuff, but the quality is great. It's a nice, good, hard leather. I actually like how they look. The problem is I never ever used the damn things. I mean, I've had them for a year now, and about a month ago I finally decided to put my sunglasses in there because I feel like I wasted my money. They're about 80 bucks each. I couldn't see just getting one for one side, so I got one for each side of the bike. And again, I don't even know what I have in this one. Oh, it's already open. Nothing. Completely empty. I mean, I kind of like how they look. You know, they're pretty cool looking. But I mean, I just never use them. And for something that's 80 bucks a piece, because I got one for each side, if I had to do it all over again, I probably wouldn't buy them. So there you have it. The best and worst purchases. Can't go without the mufflers, but I can definitely do without these saddlebag guard bags. Thanks for checking out my channel, YouTube. We'll catch you on a flip-flop.